You're wondering if it's going to snow today or maybe the sun's going to come out. Well, stay tuned and we'll go over what's in your area and what you can expect. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Thursday morning. Hey, it's November the 27th, and at the time of making this video at 4:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim Scott here with your national forecast. And let's take a look at the weather conditions across the United States today and what you can expect. For the Northeast, we're looking at a chilly start across the Northeast with scattered light snow showers over upstate New York and northern New England. Coastal areas from Boston to New York remains mostly cloudy with highs in the upper 30s to low 40s. And no major storms expected, but breezy conditions through the afternoon. Now for your southeast forecast, looking at warm and mild across the southeast. Highs will reach in the upper 60s to mid 70s from the Carolinas down to Florida. And if you're looking at a few scattered isolated showers possible along the Gulf Coast. But otherwise, it's a pleasant day with a mix of sun and clouds. Now looking at the Midwest and Great Lake area, looking at cold air spilling across the region brings flurries and scattered light snow from Minnesota through Michigan. And accumulations will be minor, but enough to go to the grassy areas. Temperatures stay in the 20s to 30s with wind chills running even colder. Now, looking at Indiana and Ohio area, you'll see mostly cloudy with a few passing snowflakes today. Central Plain area, looking at a quiet day across the plains. High pressure keeps the conditions calm and with partly to mostly sunny skies. Temperature range from 30s to in the Dakotas to the upper 50s in Kansas and Oklahoma. And the winds will be light with dry air. Now, looking at the southwest, looking at a weak disturbance will bring some scattered showers to part of Arizona into New Mexico. And Southern California stays dry with highs in the 60s. And the Four Corner regions see clouds covering with increasing clouds later on in the day. Taking a look at the Rockies and the inner mountain west, snow continues over the higher elevations of Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah. But mountain passes, be careful out there. They're going to be slick with, so if you got to be out traveling, definitely use caution. Now, the temperatures remain cold with 20 to 30 degree range in the mountains and looking at 40 degrees in the valleys. And looking at the Pacific Northwest, look at a series of Pacific system continues to bring rain to the western Washington and Oregon area. And expect steady rain showers through the day with the Cascades picking up several inches of snow. Temperatures be in the 40s to low 50s. Now looking at California, Northern California, you'll see clouds with light rain early, while central and southern parts of the state enjoy a dry and mild day out there. High temperatures from the mid-50s north to the low 70s around Los Angeles and San Diego. Now for your local weather here in Indiana, so stay tuned and keep updated on what you can expect. Hey, we're looking at a mix of rain and snow expected to move into the area in the evening and continue into early Sunday with some light snow accumulation possible. Now, I'm still looking at some uncertainty remains in the forecast regarding the exact timing and the amount, so we'll stay up to date on it. And you please continue to monitor the forecast as well. Temperature is 28 degrees and with winds at 11 miles per hour in downtown Richmond. And the highest wind gust yesterday was 26 miles per hour. That was at 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon. And this was measured on a weather station in downtown Richmond. Okay, India, now let's look at the days ahead and what you can expect. For your Thanksgiving Day, looking at partly sunny skies with a high near 34 degrees. Winds out of the west at 14 to 16 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 28 miles per hour. So definitely hold on to your turkey out there. And I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving today. And hopefully it's a pleasant and a safe one for you. Hey, looking at your Thursday night forecast, partly sunny with a low around 20 degrees. Winds out of the west at 10 miles per hour. You're going to see wind gusts as high as 21 miles per hour. And for your Friday forecast, sunny skies with a high near 32 degrees. Winds out of the west at 8 to 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 20 miles per hour. And then moving into Friday night, mostly clear skies with a low around 18 degrees. And the winds finally calm down. Now looking at your Saturday forecast, a chance of snow, cloudy conditions with a high near 34 degrees. Winds will be calm down a little bit from the southeast at only 9 miles per hour. And chance of precipitation is 50%. Now, as far as the new snow accumulation, I'm looking at less than an inch possible. And then Saturday night, snow before 1 a.m., then changes over to rain with a low around 28 degrees. Chances of precipitation is 90%. So you definitely want to be careful if you're out traveling Saturday night. And then Sunday, rain and snow mixed, cloudy with a high near 36 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at 17 miles per hour and looking at a 60% chance. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 18 degrees. Monday, as you go back to work after the holiday, mostly cloudy with a high of 28 degrees. Winds out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. And Monday night, chance of snow returns in the forecast. Mostly cloudy with a low around 18. Chance of snow is 30%. Hey, thanks for watching. And be sure to like and share the video. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to join so you can stay up to date on the forecast. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk. Stay safe and have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.